Hi friends, welcome to my Rosby channel. Today we are going to learn about solar system. What is solar system? The collection of 8 planets and their moons in orbit around the sun, together with smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, meteors and comets. The solar system includes the sun and all the objects that orbit around it due to its gravity. Solar system is gravitationally bound system. Solar system 4.6 billion years old. The sun contains 99.86% of the mass of the solar system. Solar system objects: planets, moons, asteroids, meteors, comets, meteorites. Even with all these things, most of the solar system is empty space.